Before we start, don't attempt this if you do not know what you are doing. Soldering can lead to some awful burns. If you are a child, make sure you get a parent or guardian's help. Okay, so now let's talk materials. What you'll need is a soldering iron, batteries depending on what Gameboy cartridge you have, a screwdriver, pliers, and the Gameboy game itself. For each iteration of the Game Boy, some of the materials differ. For the original Game Boy, you'll need a 3.8mm screwdriver and a CR2025 battery. This is the same for the Game Boy Color. Now, for the Game Boy Advance, you're going to need a CR1616 battery, and you'll need a tri-wing screwdriver, if it will focus, for the case itself. Trouble finding the specific type of screwdriver for each case. Certain type of pliers seem to work just fine for both types of cases. Now that you know what materials you'll need, let's get this game open. As you can see, I will be using pliers because they work just as fine as a screwdriver. So let's get this open. After unscrewing, the case will slide off just like this. And you'll have the inside electronics here. Now we will start to get into the soldering. Before you begin, I would recommend taping down the electronic board because you want it to stay firm while you solder, because you don't want to burn yourself. So you want to take the soldering iron in one hand and the pliers in one hand, and before you start, take a mental note of how the battery looks so when you put in the new battery, you won't put it in the wrong way. Okay, so grab hold of the old battery with the pliers like this. Doesn't matter really where, as long as you can lift it up. And now you want to heat up the solder on one side and then pull up with the pliers. As you can see, it is now separate from the electronic board. Now I will do it on the same on the other side. So now, as you can see, the battery is off, and now all we have to do is replace it with the new battery. Okay, now we will replace the new battery. As you can see, I already placed it where it should be and taped it. I know the tape didn't work last time, but that's because it's on a type of material that doesn't stick well, but it should stick this time to the electronics board. But I put it like that so I don't, in case it moves or tries to, or accidentally move it while I'm soldering, then I won't screw up where I place it. Okay, so all you do is take a little bit of soldering thread, unless there's enough solder there already, then you just remelt it again. But you place it right above the tab you want, melt it. It might take a second depending on the temperature of your soldering iron. As you can see, with my super fast soldering skills, I finally got it soldered in, and it will stay put. After that, you can screw the screw back in and test your game.